Hey guys, Michael here with Grand Slam Cards, Rock Hill, and the Talking Shop podcast with a new release video. It's not often that I get a product before it hits shelves, but lucky enough to get this on the doorstep today. This is Top Star Wars Galaxy Chrome, one of my favorite products of the year. Let's get going and see what we can find. Love the artwork in this product. No guaranteed autographs, although there are autographs in this product. But according to the box here, 3 chrome parallels guaranteed. It's a short parallel list, so that's pretty cool. And let me just check. So there are dual autographs and a triple autograph and some sketch cards. So let's see if we can hit something special. Like I said, I love this product. I remember when it first came out in 2021. I bought a couple boxes for a friend and was just shocked and told myself, so I bought a couple boxes for them and didn't buy one for myself. I saw it, was completely jealous, and said, you know what, I'm never going to let this product go without me buying at least one box. So let's get going here, and I'm going to have the parallels pulled up, little cheat sheet here, and hopefully we can find some color. Since it's so early in the release schedule, this isn't supposed to come out till tomorrow. There haven't been a lot of videos, so I haven't been able to do a lot of research. So bear with me. I'm going to go a little slow, a little Darth Maul refractor. I'm going to put the parallels right there. A little Yoda action. And I don't know if that's Boba Fett or the Mandalorian. No, this is Django. Love the artwork. And obviously, Star Wars is right in my childhood, and then being able to see all the sequels after that, sequels and prequels. So no color there, but it does look like there's a couple refractors here. So, oh, that's cool. So that's the Emperor, Masters of Evil. And then a Return of the Jedi. Looks like this is cover art. Super cool. What a piece of junk. If you've opened this product and have a take, we'd love to hear about it. Drop it in the comments. Let me know if you've pulled anything special or low numbered. Would love to see that. Again, you're going to get a lot of really cool art. Look at that. Look at that scene. The Dune Sea Palace. Bounty acquired. The lowest number refractor that I've seen pulled so far, and this is the day before, or maybe even a couple days. I don't know if this is supposed to be a Wednesday release or a Friday release, but I did see an X-Fractor. The X-Fractors in this product are out of 10. And it looks like we've got a... Ooh. Is that an X-Fractor? Pull from the back here. So cool artwork there. Becoming a Sith. We saw the Leia. And then another refractor there, and then our... Ooh, this is out of 75. So this is the prism refractor. Oh, how cool is that? Out of 75. This is Art of the Duel. Galactic Visions original art card. Let me just look that up. Let's see how rare that is. I'm not even... So this is GV1. This is the Galactic Visions set. And this is out of 75. Pretty darn cool. Start pulling from the back here. Save that refractor for last. Vader Redeemed. Falcon. I love these sort of dreamscapey art cards. And then our refractor. Sort of a playful ambush from above. I mentioned when this product first came out, it was $99 a box, and that was at the height. It was 2021, and I don't think anybody paid it any attention, and it ended up making just such a big splash. Look how beautiful that card is. Piece of art. And then just the iconic Return of the Jedi. Let's see if this is poster. Yeah. Excuse me. It's a poster card. But it's the refractor version of it. So we've got one numbered refractor. It looks like there's a refractor, a base refractor in every pack, which is excuse me, super cool. Oh, we've got, looks like a little bit of color back there. That looks like an aqua. Let me pull that up. The aqua refractors are out of 199, so not super low numbered. Hopefully it's a cool character. And we've got horizontal card. Oh, that is... Wow. Aqua refractor. This is called the Showdown on Dagobah. 199. So we are due one more numbered refractor, but maybe we'll get something special. There's that card with Chewie and Han Solo. And then, so this I have seen on a couple breaks. It's like a reimagine. There it is. Another Galactic Visions card. It's like an anime version of the Stormtroopers. A couple more refractors here. Darth Vader. Some more cool art cards. Oh, look at that. Little OC, but beautiful. And then behind it, Dengar. And this is Bespin. That's sweet. I may take a shot at some of these refractors and numbered parallels if they're centering. Looks like it's gonna pass muster. I saw the atomic of this. Oh my goodness. What a card. That's ugly, but really cool. And there's the refractor version. Again, little OC, but still a beautiful card. What a set. For a second there, I thought that was an orange. I was about to lose my mind. It's a classic scene. All right. Not really sure what to make of that, but a refractor is Upset Wookie. You could almost hear him. Just looking at this card, you can almost hear him. Oh, looks like that's our last numbered refractor. Save that. Great scene. And then our final numbered refractor is nice. Lando. That one's clean too. Bookend, 75 out of 75. All right, so that takes care of our numbered refractors. So from here out, we're just looking for maybe an interesting insert. Some really cool, oh, that's cute. Look at that. I think my daughter may end up with that one. I think it's really cool that every pack has at least a refractor. Or two. So these are bounty hunters. I think these boxes, I bought this, I pre-ordered this box. It was shade over 200 on the Topps website. I think 200 and change with shipping or tax. That's a cool card. Young Jedi. So that's Luke. Classic image and another reimagined card. I like these cards. How about you? I like them. 3 more packs. Still looking for an interesting insert. Maybe a sketch card. Love that opening scene. Two more packs left. I could rip this all day long. I tell you. If I could buy a case of this, I would. Whoa. Sunset. Then our refractor. Canyon Run. Last pack. Something special in here? Let's take a look. If you made it this far, drop us a like, subscribe, comment, let us know if you like what we're doing on the podcast or on the channel. Let's see what we pull in this last pack. Refractor. Look at that. Final card. Wow. Wow. I mean, come on. Gorgeous. Guys, that was Star Wars Galaxy Chrome. Hope you enjoyed. And we will see you soon.